Meaning of Guinea.
Guinea,
Guinea.
Guinea,
Guinea. The word Guinea can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a country located in West Africa, officially known as the Republic of Guinea. The term has also been used historically to describe a region along the west coast of Africa that includes countries such as Guinea-Bissau and Sierra Leone. Additionally, Guinea can be used as a slang term for money or currency, particularly in reference to British pounds. Overall, the meaning of Guinea is varied and can be specific or general depending on how it is being used.